end of the day, my point, I bet I prove it. They Clyde out of jail, now you looking stupid. I'm 40K using, bitch nigga bluesing. Don't worry about what I'm doing, nigga just keep it moving. Nigga, you dumb or stupid, blind cripple.